And welcome, and then I am planning to show you that how to replace this Toyota Corolla cars, this front, this radio, and firstly we only pull out this air console, and there we can see this my radio, and also this my USB and Bluetooth device. And now there are screws in this side area, and when I open these screws, then this package is free. Okay, and let's look at how this happens. And then this dashboard opens also nicely, and there are those connectors that I can press these and take this whole package away in here, because now I am planning to open. There are screws also in that area, and I open those screws, and then this radio device comes out. And now I am working, and there is my socket and my air. And I am removing these bolts in there. There is second. Okay, good. Now bolts opens, and in that deep area there is also in there. Okay, good. And now we can check that this radio moves more, but there is one screw in the deeper area left, what I have to open next. And now I open all of these screws, and there was screw sides was that, and now this my radio is coming out. Good. And then there are cables what I have to unplug also in that way. And now I remove all of these cables, and then this my radio is free. And now I have disconnect all of these cables, and they was easy to remove. And now this my radio is free. Then I have to install these parts back, and there's antenna color. And then it is of course good to take battery away, because now there is risk that when I have a battery on, that my fuses can blow off, and it is good to take the car battery away. Okay, that kind of information to you.